everyone, welcome to Ismail Car Accessories. Today we're diving into the world of car accessories to elevate your driving experience to the next level. Here at Ismail Car Accessories, where me and my team specialize in modifying and customizing cars, we've curated a selection of accessories that will make your ride stand out on the road. Let's check out some must-have accessories. LED interior lights. Brighten up your cabin with customizable LED interior lights. Not only do they add a cool ambiance, but they also improve visibility at night. Seat covers. Protect your seats and add a touch of style with our range of seat covers. Here at Ismail Car Accessories, we specialize in custom seat covers tailored to your unique preferences. Phone mounts. Stay connected safely with a sturdy phone mount. Whether you prefer dashboard mounts or air vent clips, we've got options to keep your device secure while you focus on the road. Car organizers. Keep your car clutter-free with smart organizers. From trunk organizers to seatback storage, you'll never have to search for your essentials again. Dash cams. Capture every moment on the road with a high-quality dash cam. It's your extra pair of eyes for unexpected incidents and scenic drives. Floor mats. Upgrade your interior with durable floor mats. Whether you're battling mud, snow, or spills, our mats will keep your carpets looking like new. And there you have it, folks. Just a glimpse of the fantastic accessories we offer here at Ismail Car Accessories to enhance your driving experience. Stop by our store to explore our full range. Drive safe and happy accessorizing.